Hello, class 5. So, from today, we are going to begin a new chapter, that is a chapter number 11. Yes, chapter number 11. The name of chapter number 11 is uh, Sun, Earth, and Moon. Okay, Sun, Earth, and Moon. So, in this chapter, the Sun, Earth, and Moon, we will study in detail. First of all, we will study about the solar system. Yes, first of all, in detail, we will study about the solar system, and I will also tell you about the planets. Yes, there are different planets, so I will explain them in detail. And apart from these, we will also study the structure of the sun. Yes, the structure of the sun, we will study about the structure of the sun. Yes, and we will study what is moon. Yes, about the moon we will study the different shape about the different shape of the moon. Yes, we will study also about the different shape of the moon. And I will explain you uh, of about the what is the meaning of eclipse. What is the meaning of eclipse? I will explain you solar eclipse, lunar eclipse. I will show you different lot of pictures. Yes, I have. Um, I will show you many pictures. We will try to understand. Also, we will try to understand the structure of the earth. Yes, and uh, we will also study about the um, uh, traveling to the moon. Yes, who traveled first time, who reached on the surface of the moon first time. We will study about some scientist. We will see some fact, and kids, you will remember them forever. Okay, this chapter is very important because this chapter you will study continue, and you will study also this chapter in 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th class. You will study it continue, so you will practice it. You will try to memorize. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about the solar system. Let's move on the next point. Okay, it's solar system. Yes, let's study about the solar system. So, what is solar system? Yes, solar system consists of the sun and four terrestrial inner planet and an asteroid belt and comets and outer planet. Yes. So what can I say in short? In short, I can say a solar system is a system which consists of the sun, planets, asteroid, and comet. Yes. Solar system consists of the sun, planets, um, asteroid, and comet. Yes. So as we know that how many planets there are, 8 planets. Yes. So the four first planet, yes, which are near to the sun. Yes, the first four planets which are near to the sun are called inner planet, and or you can say terrestrial inner planet, and the remaining four planet, okay, are called outer planet, or you can say gas giant planet. Yes, because they contain lot of gas, made of gas. Okay, so the our solar system is actually just a small piece of cake. Yes, for your, it is just like a very small particle. Actually, for your kind information, let me tell you that. Um, Let me tell you that there are many solar system. Yes, because what is sun? Sun is a star. Sun is a star, and there are many stars. There are many uncountable stars in the universe. So there are many planets also. They revolve around the sun. They revolve around the star. Yes. So there are many planets, many stars which are still undiscovered. Yes. And our scientist is trying to discover another earth. Yes, they are trying to discover another planet just look like earth. So we can go there and we can live there. But still we didn't get success. Yes, we are just trying, because it is very, it's difficult to reach from one planet to another planet. Yes, it's very difficult to reach from one planet to another planet, because they are so far. They are so far. Yes, it takes a lot of time. It takes many years. Yes. So maybe possible that we will get or not. We will reach to, uh, we will find or not. But the scientists are still trying that maybe possible we can find. So our solar system has only 8 planets. Yes, so I can say solar system is just a small piece of cake, but it is not really small. It is very larger in kilometer. Yes, for your kind information, even the sun is our, which is present at the center of solar system. Yes, sun is at the center of the solar system, which is actually too big. You know how is it big? It is big, for you, let me tell you, suppose 1800 earth can be installed in the sun. Yes, that is the size of the sun. Can you imagine 18 earth? So it's very big. And in the solar system, many planets are revolving, and there is a asteroid belt also. So asteroid world belt is actually composed of small rock bodies and comets. Okay, we will study about rocky bodies and comets later. Okay. But remember that what is asteroid belt? Asteroid belt is look like a belt which actually made of comets and rocky bodies. Yes, which is made of comets and rocky bodies. Okay. So we know there are 8 planets. Yes. um, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. But Pluto now is it is not a, in Pluto is not the part of solar system. Now it is counted as dwarf planet. Okay, it is counted as dwarf planet. Okay, as you can see the picture. Yes, can you see the picture? Sun, you can see the big picture of the sun. The planets are revolving just around it. So different things are present in the our solar system. Okay. uh, Now let's study something more about solar system. Let's move on the next point. So kids, um, in our solar system there are 8 planets. Yes, you already know. So they revolve around the, they just move around the sun. Yes, they take complete the circle in a fixed path. The fixed path is called orbit. And so they orbit around the sun. They, all the planets orbit around the sun, and we know that earth orbit around the sun, and the moon orbit around the earth. So orbit means what? Here the orbit means motion in a circular. Okay, motion in a circle, or you can say revolution. Okay. So objects orbiting the sun. Yes, many objects, all the planets orbit around the sun. Not only planets, dwarf planet also orbit around the sun. Yes, dwarf planet also orbit around the sun. And small solar system bodies, small solar system bodies, they also orbit around the sun. Yes, small solar system body, they also orbit around the sun. Okay. And uh, orbiting around the sun, objects orbiting around the sun, they can be divided into three categories: dwarf planet, and small solar system bodies, small solar system body like comets. Okay. A planet is any body in orbit that around a planet. What is planet? What is planet? What is planet? A planet is any body that orbit around the sun. Yes, a planet is any body that orbit around the sun. Yes, remember kids, a planet is any body that orbit around the sun. Yes. And planet are very heavy. Yes, they are larger in size. Some planets may be smaller in comparison to other. So a planet has enough mass. Yes, mass, mass tells us how heavy or large an object is. Mass tells us how heavy or large an object is. Okay. And uh, different planets have different mass. Okay, different planets have different mass. And they are all the planets are actually in spherical in shape. Yes, all the planets are actually spherical in shape. Okay. And you already know about the planets. Which is the nearest planet to the sun? Which is the nearest planet to the sun? Mercury. Yes, Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun. And which is the farthest planet to the sun? Which is the farthest planet to the sun? Neptune. Yes, Neptune is the farthest planet to the sun. Yes, Mercury is the nearest planet, and Neptune is the farthest planet. Okay, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, all these are planet. Yes, they are in order. Okay, first planet is Mercury, then Venus, then Earth. Means Earth is the third planet. Yes, so Venus and Mars are actually neighborhood of the Earth. Yes, Venus and Mars are neighborhood of the Earth. Okay, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Yes, the last planet is Neptune. So Neptune is the coldest planet. Okay, because it is very far from the sun. So it is very far from the sun. So the sunlight doesn't reach to the Neptune. So that's why it is very coldest planet. Okay. So remember kids, what is planet? A planet is any body which orbit around the sun. And what is orbit? What is orbit? Orbit is a fixed path in which planet moves around the sun. Yes, orbit is a fixed path in which planets move around. Not only planets, dwarf planet also moves, and other small body also move. Yes, other small body also moves. Okay, good. I hope you understood what are planets, what is solar system. Yes, and in, apart from these, dwarf planets are also present. So now, let's study about the dwarf planet. Yes, let's study about the different type of dwarf planets. Okay, let's move on the next point. So, dwarf planet, DWARF, dwarf planets. Okay. So, there are many dwarf planet. Dwarf means small. Okay, dwarf means small. You can see the three pictures. As you can see, three picture. First picture you can see, which is looking like moon. Maybe the picture is small for you in your mobile, but if you will zoom out the screen, you can see the picture clearly. So first planet name is Ceres. You can see Ceres is a dwarf planet, Ceres. And Pluto and Charon also dwarf planet. Okay, you can see the are actually looking like a bulb lightning. Okay, And Eris is also a dwarf planet. Yes, Ceres, Eris, Ceres, Pluto, Charon. They are dwarf planet. So now let's talk about the Ceres. Yes, Ceres planet. So uh, because they are dwarf planet, okay, and Ceres is the largest body in the asteroid belt, and it's only dwarf planet. Yes, it has a diameter slightly under 1000 kilometer. Can you believe? Can you believe the diameter is diameter of Ceres planet is around 1000 kilometer. Yes, 1000 kilometer. Yes, and it is the largest body in the asteroid belt. Well, we will discuss about the asteroid belt. Okay, we will discuss something more about asteroid belt, but just remember what is the asteroid belt. Asteroid belt composed of rocky bodies and small rocky bodies and comets. So it is the largest body. Okay, it is a series is a rocky body. Okay, it is the largest body in asteroid belt. Okay, it is present in asteroid belt, and it is only largest body in the asteroid belt, and it is the only dwarf planet. It has a diameter of slightly 1000 kilometer. Now let's talk about the Pluto and Charon. So Pluto is also a dwarf planet, okay, and it is the largest non-object in the Kuiper belt. Yes, it is the largest non-object in Kuiper asteroid belt. Okay, and it is unclear whether Charon, Pluto's largest moon, it is unclear whether Charon, Pluto, largest moon. Yes, remember kids, uh, um, Charon actually it is said that Charon is the largest. It is the largest moon of Pluto dwarf planet. Yes, Charon. Okay, will continue to be classified as such as dwarf planet itself. Yes, but it is also classified as dwarf planet. Okay. Hmm. So actually, Pluto is a dwarf planet and it has three moon. Yes, Pluto is actually a dwarf planet and it has three moon. Charon is the largest moon, but it is also considered as dwarf planet. So both Pluto and Charon actually they make a binary system. Binary means double. They make a binary system means double. That's why they are dwarf planet. Eris. Let's talk about the Eris. So Eris is the largest non-scattered disk object and caused a debate about what constitute a planet. Yes. So remember kids, Eris is also a largest non-scattered disk-like object. Yes, it looks like disk. It looks like disk. Okay. And there is also some debates happen on this, that what does it made up of. Okay, but for your kind information, let me tell you, Eris is bigger than Pluto. Eris is bigger than Pluto. Okay, Eris is 5% larger than Pluto. Okay, with the estimate diameter means around 2400 kilometer. Okay, and Eris is the largest non-dwarf planet. Yes, remember kid, which is the largest non-dwarf planet? Eris, largest non-dwarf planet. And in asteroid belt, which is the largest planet, which is the largest dwarf planet? Ceres. Ceres is the largest dwarf planet in asteroid belt, and Eris is the largest non-planet. Okay, dwarf planet. Okay, and Pluto is also a dwarf planet, but it is also largest, but in Kuiper, Cooper belt. Yes, Okay, and if I talk about the average weight, then series weight is actually 2.77 astronomical union. Okay, and Pluto actually average is 39 AU. AU means astronomical union, and Eris also 68 AU. Okay. So this is the weight. I hope you understood our series, Eris and Pluto. Okay. Now let's move on the next point. Okay, so let's try to understand what do you mean by asteroid belt and comets. Yes, what are asteroids and what are comets? Okay, so let's talk about the asteroid. As you can see the picture, first picture actually representing the asteroid belt, and second picture is actually representing the comets, which is actually shining. Okay, so asteroids are actually small body. Okay, they are a small body. Okay, we know that asteroid composed of rocky body and comets, and you know that series is also the part of asteroid belt. Okay, this is largest non-body, diameter 1000 kilometer. So asteroid are mostly small solar system body. Yes, they are small, but don't think that they are actually so small. No, really they are not so small. Okay, don't think like this. You think that they are like just a stone. No, it's wrong. You are wrong. Okay. Mm. But actually they are bigger. Actually they are bigger, but not bigger than planets. Okay, not bigger than planets. That's why they are called small. Okay, don't think that they are really just look like stone. No. Okay, so asteroids are small bodies composed mainly of rocky body, comets, and metallic non-volatile minerals. Okay, okay, these. Okay, the main asteroid belt occupies the orbit between Mars and Jupiter. Between, okay, now so remember kids, asteroid belt is present between Mars and Jupiter. Yes, MJ. Asteroid belt is present, main asteroid belt is present between Mars and Jupiter. Okay, asteroid belt means what? Asteroid belt means it is made of asteroids, different things. Means different dwarf planets, minerals, rocky bodies, comets. Okay, and comets, what are comets? As in, so comets are also a small solar system body. Okay, comets are also part of solar system. Yes, so they are usually only a few kilometer across. Yes, composed largely of volatile ice. Yes, they are actually made of volatile ice, and they have highly eccentric orbits. Yes, they are all having eccentric orbit, and mm, when a comet enter the inner solar system, then what happens? When a comet enter our inner solar system, then due to the heat of the sun, it starts sublimating. Yes, it start disappearing. Okay, and start shining, as you can see in the picture. Okay, and it ionize. Okay, so it was all about asteroid. Yes, remember kids, asteroid is actually made up of asteroid is actually made up of small solar system, rocky bodies, comets, and many metallic and non-volatile mineral. Yes, non-volatile mineral which cannot be sublimate. Okay, which cannot be sublimate, and they just revolve. They also doing revolution. Yes, they also doing the revolution. Yes, but actually they revolve between Mars and Jupiter. Yes, they actually revolve between Mars and Jupiter. Yes, remember kids. Okay, and comets are actually also part of solar system, but they are not actually so long, only few kilometers. Okay, and they are composed of volatile ice. Yes, volatile ice which can be easily sublimated. Okay, means made up of carbon dioxide. Yes. So volatile ice, and when a comet enter into our solar system, mm, its proximity to the sun causes its icy surface to sublimate. Yes, it is start burning and shining and ionize. Okay, it happens. So I hope you understood. Now let's move on the next point. So kids, it's time to ask question from you. Question number one: what is solar system made up of? Yes, what is solar system made up of? In broad term, we can say the solar system consists of sun, the 8 planets, asteroids, and comets. Okay. Question number two: write the name of some dwarf planets. Yes, which are the dwarf planet? Eris, Ceres, Pluto. Eris, Ceres, Pluto. They are dwarf planet. Eris, E-R-I-S, Eris. So Eris is the largest known planet. Okay, it looks like disk. Okay, and it is bigger than Pluto. Pluto is also a dwarf planet. Later, it was the part of our solar system, but then it was removed. So now it is, because it doesn't follow the rule of solar system, that's why it has removed, and it is very smaller in comparison to other planets. Okay. I don't remember that when it was removed. Check out in your book. Okay. I'm just confused about the date. Okay, so you can check out if it is available in your book, or I will try to find and I will tell you. Okay. And Charon is the moon of the Pluto. There are 3 moon of the Pluto. Okay, Ceres is the also a largest body. Okay, largest planet, but it is in the asteroid belt. Okay. Question number three: what are asteroids and comets? Yes, what are asteroids? Asteroids are actually a small body which form a belt-like structure, which is called asteroid belt. So I can also say that asteroid belt is composed of is a rocky body, comets, and non-volatile metallic minerals. Okay, metallic object and non-volatile mineral. Okay, so the asteroid belt is actually present between Mars and Jupiter, and they just revolve like the other planets revolve. Okay, in their orbit. Comets. If I talk about the comets, comets are small solar system bodies. Okay, usually only a few kilometers. Okay, they are not so big, but when they enter into our solar system, um, then they start sublimating and ionize. Okay, creating a coma. I hope you understood. And comets are actually composed of volatile ice. Now we will meet in next class, and we will study about Suraj Devta means the sun, and Chanda Mama means moon. Okay. Till then, bye bye.